This a nice tom I just shot on a good friend's property. Got a beautiful beard, nice spurs. This bird got away from me last year, but not this year. He was kind enough to let me shoot on his property. I really appreciate it, Jamie. This bird is quite the trophy. Most people would mount him, but I already have one, so I'm just gonna enjoy his food. Oh my gosh, he's just, that's a beautiful bird. You make a good photograph guy. I should take you hunting with me. No. So yeah, he came in with not a gobble, not a word, within 5 yards. All right, that's good. That's a wrap.